Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can assign annotated assignments to your students. So I'm going to go into my Canvas course and I want to create a new assignment. So you can do this by going to modules or just by going to assignments in the course navigation, and that's what I'm going to do. And once I'm here, I am going to go to plus assignment to add a new one. Right, I'm just going to call this, for our example here, annotated assignment. Right, and then here in the rich content editor, I can just put directions, annotate the following document. All right, and so you can add your different elements that you need to add, the different settings, so you can place a point value. If you use assignment groups, you can add assignment groups here. When we get down to submission type, we are going to want to make sure that online is selected and that we select student annotation. So this will open up my available folders that are in my Canvas course. So if you use My Files in your Canvas course and you already have a PDF assignment in there that you want students to annotate, you can pull from there by selecting these buttons, or you can just select Upload a File. And that's what I'm going to do. And so this opens up my downloads, and here I have an example PDF assignment. So I'm going to select that and select Open. All right, and this just tells me that my file was uploaded successfully, and I can continue to add my different settings for this assignment that I need to. And when I am done, if I want students to see it, I will select Save and Publish. If I'm not quite ready, I'll just select Save, but I'm going to select Save and Publish. All right, and my assignment is assigned. In the next part of the video, I am going to show you what it looks like in the student view. All right, so now I am in the student view and I'm going to view and submit this annotated assignment that I just created. And you can do the same thing just to kind of look at the tools that are available to your students and look at exactly how this will look for your students. So you can just create the annotated assignment in your sandbox like I did, and then go into student view to view what your students would see. So once I'm here, I'll see the annotated assignment in the directions here, and I'm going to select New Attempt. And so this will open up the window to the PDF assignment that I uploaded. So here at the top, I'm just going to go over some of these tools here to show you what your students can do. So they have the option here to download the annotated PDF. So say they're finished with it and they want to download it to their computer, they can do that. Here is where they can rotate the page if they need to. They can zoom in and out, and they can also enter full screen. So I'm going to enter full screen as I show you some of these tools, and I'm going to zoom in a little bit. All right, so right now I have the selection tool, and this just means I'm using my cursor and I can select and highlight different things, but nothing is going to stay. Our first tool that we have for annotation is this point annotation. So you will notice that the colors show on the left. I can select a color, I can select where I want my point to be, and then this allows me to leave a comment. And so now if I go back to my selection tool, you select that, the comment will appear. All right, moving to our next tool, we have a highlight annotation. So if I select highlight annotation, again, this opens up a toolbar to the left where I can select different colors and I can highlight different parts of the PDF document. And I can also add a comment to perhaps show what this highlighted part means. Next, I have this free text annotation tool. So here you'll notice that I have a few more options. So I can add a different color to my text. I can choose a background if I want one, and I can adjust the size. If I click anywhere in the PDF document, it will allow me to type. And then I can easily move it to where it needs to be. Next, I have this strike through annotation. So if I want to strike through something, I can do that here by using this tool. I can change the color of the strike through, and I can also add a comment. Next is the free draw annotation tool. So again, I can choose a different color I want, and I can adjust the size of my lines. And this allows me to just freely annotate with this color on the PDF assignment. And then last, I have this area annotation. So I can select a specific area, I can select and drag, and then this creates a box around the area. Again, I can change the color of the box if I need to, and I can leave a comment. Once I am done with this assignment, all I need to do is exit full screen. I will see the created PDF here and my annotations here. I will scroll down and I will select Submit Assignment. Right, and this will show me that my assignment was successfully submitted.